In the silence of the mind, discover the profound wisdom of your own heartbeat. The journey inward is the true pilgrimage of self-discovery. Like a lotus emerging from muddy waters, find serenity in life's challenges. Breath by breath, we unveil the masterpiece of our existence. In the garden of thoughts, cultivate flowers of compassion, and weeds of judgment will wither away. The present moment is the only canvas upon which to paint the strokes of purpose. The art of living is a dance between acceptance and transformation. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Simplify your mind to reveal its true brilliance. In the river of emotions, learn to navigate the currents with the boat of mindfulness. Your breath is the melody, let your life be the dance. A tree does not grow by pulling at its leaves. Find growth in rooted stillness. Like a river, let life flow without clinging to the river banks of attachment. The mirror reflects truth, the mind reflects awareness. To know oneself is to befriend the depths of one's own silence. In the tapestry of existence, weave threads of gratitude for a richer life. The wise person learns from the past, lives fully in the present, and plans mindfully for the future. Let your actions be the brushstrokes, painting the masterpiece of your legacy. Life is a dance of impermanence. Find joy in the rhythm of change. Embrace the storms of life. They reveal the strength of your inner roots. In the theater of consciousness, you are both the audience and the actor. The mind is a garden. Choose the seeds of thought carefully. Through stillness, the fog of confusion lifts, revealing the clarity of purpose. Like a river flowing to the ocean, surrender to the greater flow of life. To understand others, first, understand the landscape of your own heart. In the dance of yin and yang, find balance and discover the harmony of existence. Every step in mindfulness is a step toward freedom. from the chains of the mind. A compassionate heart is the compass that guides us through the wilderness of life. The journey within is the odyssey to the soul's deepest shores. To find peace, make friends with the storms within. Every breath is a reminder that life is both fleeting and precious. In the symphony of life, let your heart play the melody of kindness. The mind is a lantern. Meditation is the flame that reveals the path. To live fully is to embrace the dance of joy and sorrow. As the moon reflects the sun, let your actions reflect the light of your true self. To be present is to be a witness to the unfolding beauty of each moment. The heart, like a lotus, blooms in the mud of challenges. With each exhale, release the burdens. With each inhale, invite the light. The journey of self-discovery is an infinite pilgrimage, with each step revealing new vistas of understanding. A mindful mind is a mirror reflecting the wisdom of the universe. In the tapestry of relationships, weave threads of compassion and understanding. Meditation is the key that unlocks the door to the temple of inner peace. To love others is to recognize the divinity within them. Let your heart be a lighthouse guiding others through the storms of life. The river of life flows ceaselessly. Find joy in navigating its twists and turns. The present moment is the meeting point of the infinite past and the boundless future. In the dance of duality, find unity. In the dance of unity, find diversity. Like a pebble in a pond, your actions create ripples that touch the shores of eternity. Gratitude is the compass that points us toward the abundance of the present moment. To find peace in chaos is the art of the mindful warrior. In the stillness of meditation, discover the symphony of existence playing within